Passive income is the dream of many, a way to make money while you sleep, travel, or focus on other pursuits. In 2024, opportunities to build passive income streams are more abundant than ever, thanks to technological advancements and the digital economy. This script explores 10 powerful ways to generate passive income in 2024, focusing on a mix of online and offline strategies that can help you achieve financial freedom. 1. Real estate crowdfunding. In 2024, real estate crowdfunding offers an exciting way to invest in properties without needing a large amount of capital. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul allow users to start with as little as $500, enabling investors to earn returns through rental income or property appreciation. It's a fully hands-off investment, where you don't need to manage tenants or deal with maintenance. All you do is make an initial investment, and the platform handles the rest, letting your money grow steadily over time. For optimal results, research various platforms and choose the ones offering the best returns and lowest fees. 2. Dividend-paying stocks. Dividend-paying stocks remain a classic passive income strategy in 2024. These stocks allow you to earn a share of a company's profits simply by holding onto the stock. Companies with a long history of paying dividends, often large, stable corporations, provide a reliable source of income. As dividends accumulate, you can reinvest them to compound your earnings. With this strategy, you get to enjoy a steady stream of passive income while building long-term wealth. To maximize your portfolio, look for companies with consistent dividend payments and solid financials. 3. Creating an online course. If you possess expertise in a particular field, creating an online course can be a powerful passive income generator in 2024. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy provide user-friendly ways to design and sell your course. You create the content once, and it continues generating revenue as students enroll over time. This model allows you to focus on creating high-quality, comprehensive courses and then leave the sales, marketing, and delivery to the platform. Choose a niche topic that resonates with learners to attract a dedicated audience and ensure steady enrollments. 4. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer P2P lending offers a direct way to generate passive income by lending money to individuals or businesses in exchange for interest. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper make it simple to diversify your loans across multiple borrowers, reducing your risk. Although there is some inherent risk, the ability to spread small amounts across many loans lowers the chance of significant losses. The key to success in P2P lending is carefully choosing borrowers with strong credit ratings and maintaining a diverse loan portfolio. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing continues to thrive in 2024, offering creators the chance to earn commissions by promoting products and services. Whether you run a blog, YouTube channel, or social media account, affiliate programs like Amazon Associates and Share a Sale can provide substantial income if your content drives traffic. Each time someone purchases through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. The best results come from promoting products you genuinely believe in, which aligns with your audience's interests and needs, ensuring higher conversion rates. 6. Print-on-demand services. For creatives looking to sell custom-designed merchandise, print-on-demand services like Printful and Redbubble are ideal. You design products such as t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and the platform handles printing, shipping, and customer service. You earn a profit for each item sold without the hassle of managing inventory. This model is especially lucrative if you create unique, niche designs that cater to specific audiences. By focusing on a targeted market, you increase the chances of building a reliable passive income stream from your designs. 7. Writing and selling ebooks. In 2024, self-publishing ebooks remains a popular way to earn passive income, especially for writers or experts in a specific field. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allow you to publish your ebook and reach a global audience. Once published, your ebook can continue to generate royalties with little to no ongoing effort. The right marketing strategy and a focus on evergreen topics or popular genres, such as self-help, personal finance, or fiction, can help your book consistently attract new readers and sales. 8. Renting out your car or space. In today's sharing economy, renting out underutilized assets like your car or spare room has become a common way to earn passive income. Platforms like Turo and Airbnb make the process easy by handling listings, payments, and customer communication. Renting out your car or room allows you to generate income from assets you already own without much effort. For a smooth experience, ensure your car or space is well maintained and that you provide excellent service to renters, which can lead to repeat customers and more consistent earnings. 9. Automated dropshipping. Automated dropshipping provides an opportunity to run an online store without managing inventory. In this model, when a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to them. Platforms like Shopify integrate with apps like Overload to automate most of the process. Your primary focus is marketing and customer service, while suppliers handle the rest. This allows you to scale without the logistical headaches of traditional e-commerce. To succeed, choose a niche with high demand and partner with reliable suppliers to ensure smooth fulfillment. 10. YouTube channel monetization. YouTube continues to be a powerful platform for passive income in 2024. By consistently producing content, you can monetize through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Building a library of evergreen content, such as tutorials or reviews, ensures that your videos continue attracting views and generating income over time. The key is to engage your audience, produce valuable content, and optimize for searchability. Once your channel gains momentum, the income can become significantly passive, making YouTube an attractive option for long-term income. Conclusion: in 2024, the possibilities for generating passive income are vast and diverse. Whether you invest in stocks, create digital content, or participate in the sharing economy, there are plenty of opportunities to build a steady stream of income with minimal ongoing effort. By starting today and choosing the right strategy that suits your skills and interests, you can take control of your financial future and move one step closer to achieving financial freedom. So, why wait? Start exploring these passive income ideas and start building your wealth.